Hello guys, today I want to show you how to create levels and grids in Revit. There are actually very easy procedures involved in doing this. Alright, what you want to do is to go to the elevations, to go to the project browser, click on elevation. Usually you'll find the elevation open, but then you can just click on the plus sign and it will open. Choose any of the elevation view. Say elevation east. Alright, so now by default you'll find two levels on the east elevation or any other elevation that you open. Alright, so now looking at these two levels, if you want to add level, all you have to do is easy. Just go to the architecture tab here, as you can see. Now on the architecture tab, you will come to this corner here and then click levels. Alright, the shortcut for level is here. It is shown as you can see on the screen, LL in bracket. So just click on levels. Alright, so the drawing tools will pop up. You have the line tool and the pick line tool. Alright, just click on the line and you draw. As simple as that. Okay. That's how you create levels. Now you can also set the distance between the levels. Okay, you can just click on the dimension tool here. Right, set your dimensions just like that. And now let's say you want the distance between level 1 and level 0 to be 3.2. you can just click on the dimension and edit. It is already 3.2. now I set it previously, so you just click. Say now you want to make the level 3 meters, or let's say 3.1. click 3.1. Distance between level 1 and level 0 is now 3.1. Alright, so now you can also click on level 5. You can see the current distance is 5.1. so now you can change this 5.1 to 3.1 by clicking on the dimension, change it to 3.1, as you can see. Now go to the final level, the one that we have here. We have level 6. Now to change the dimension is easy. Just click on the level itself, then click on the dimension. Now the dimension will turn to blue. This is indicating that you can now edit this dimension. If you look at the other dimensions, they are all in black, but then if you click on this level here, the one you want to change, come below and check the dimension. The number will change to, or the number of the digit will change to blue, which is giving you the green light to edit it. Click it, enter the number you want to enter, 3.1. there you go, have it. So that is how you create your levels. Alright, so now let's create another level, a final level, using the pick line tool. As usual, just click here, levels. Now click on pick line. So with pick line you have to use offsets. Alright, so you have to set your offset. Offset is going to be the distance between the existing level and the new level you want to create. Alright, that's going to be 3.1. then click here. When you click on the existing, just hover over the existing level and then click. It will set it to the dimension you entered on the offset. There you go, we have our final level. Okay, so now if you check the measurement, of course it is going to be 3.1, as you can see. You can also rename all your levels. Alright, we have level 1, level 1 here, level 5, level 6, 7. Now say you want to change this level 0 to ground floor. You can just click on the name, change it to ground floor. There you go. Say level 1 is going to be our first floor. We have this as first floor. Alright, level 5, second floor. Level 6, third floor. There you go. Change this to small letter. That's it. So now that's one important thing that you need to, sometimes you might need to implement on your level creations, that is to constrain the levels. Now the importance of constraining the level is to avoid them to drift off from each other. So just click on the dimension and then close the padlocks. By closing the padlock, it means you are constraining the levels to each other. Now if one level moves, they will always move together. Move one level and everything will move together. No one level will drift off, from the other levels. They will move together. Usually this is very, very important in your projects. It helps you to avoid mistakes. So there you go. That's how you create levels. You might also want to create your grids. All right, so to do that is easy. Just go to level 0, or let's say, we already rename our level. You just go to the project browser. All right, look for floor plans. It is already open. Project plaza. We go to ground floor. So at the ground floor here, we can set our levels, our grids. Now to create the grids, it is easy. Same architecture tab, come to this corner here, click on grid. The shortcut is GR. All right, so we have so many drawing tools here. We have the pick line, the curve line here, and the straight line. Okay, so now I will go with this straight line. Just click. All right, just click it, bring it down, up, take it up, wherever direction you wish. All right, so there we go. So that is our grid. You can extend it. Now with grids, it is easy. All right, so we have the vertical grids and the horizontal grids. So for now, I'm creating the vertical grids. You can click on this box here to on the header. The header is 1. You can change this header to any figure you want. For you, usually for me, the name for my headers, vertical grids, I use alphabetical letters. So A. The next one is easy. Just copy. This is the copy tool. All right, CO is the shortcut. On the modify tab, click on the copy tool, click once on the grid, and take it to the direction you want to copy, either to this other side, right hand side, or to left hand side. So let's say I want to move it to the right hand side. All right, so I will stretch it and then input the distance I want between the vertical grids. Let's say I want the distance to be 3.5. all right, you see, just enter the dimension you want and it will copy them automatically. Say I need 5 grids, that is it, 5 vertical grids. You have A, B, C, D up to E. Now if you want to create the horizontal grids, what you have to do is easy. You can still go to the architecture tab, click on grid, or if you want, use a shortcut, click on this grid E, vertical grid E, or any other grid, and enter the shortcut CS, which means create similar. It will take you straight to the design tools for creating grids, and you can now draw your horizontal grids. Or better still, you can just click on the escape. Let me click on the escape button and show you how you do it just the usual way. Go to architecture tab, click on grids, click here, there you go, click on G, the header is on. Now let's change this vertical grids, the header for the vertical grids, to numbers. Instead of G, I'll have 1. Okay, same way, click on the grid, copy. Let's say I want the same distance between the grids, just like the vertical grids, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. All right, 5 grids. So that's how you create your grids. Very simple. Right, you can still click on the grids and move them. Just like that. Right. So the grids usually they are always constrained. That is why they are able to move together. You can see the padlock is already locked. Same way here. That is how you create grids. Now if you go to the elevations, we have here the levels. So if you look at our levels, they are not cut in the grids. You can just move them here so they can cut the grids. There you go, move them. yeah, that's it. So that is all for this video. Make sure you like our videos and then subscribe to the channel.